Hello mga kakwento, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in, or to those who are watching or will watch the replay later. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lair business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So before we start, a quick announcement muna. This episode and the next few will be recorded because I'll be away for a few days working on a big project. So if you don't see me live, don't worry, tuloy pa rin ang kwentuhan natin ha. At syempre, mangangampanya ako, kaya please iboto niyo ako sa darating na eleksyon. Joke lang yon, of course. But seriously, thank you for still being here with me kahit recorded tayo this week. So your support means so much to me. So tonight, I want to talk about something that changed my perspective in life and visualizing your future. You know, everything we have today started as a vision. Lahat ng bagay, this phone, yung mug, and even the life we dream of, once existed only in someone's imagination. I remember when I was still working abroad, my life was okay. Stable yung job, maganda yung income, nakaka-survive, pero deep inside may kulang. I wanted something more. Not more money, but more meaning. So one day I started seeing it. I imagined a life with time freedom, peace, and purpose. So waking up without rushing, having coffee without stress, spending time with my kids, and building something that could grow beyond me. At first, I felt it's impossible. But the more I visualize it, the clearer it becomes. Because when you see your future, your actions start aligning with it. So visualization isn't about wishful thinking. It's about faith, believing that God wouldn't put a dream in your heart if he didn't plan to help you reach it. Of course, there were be days I doubted myself, days I asked, kaya ko pa ba ito? But even in those moments, I held on to the vision because every time I saw it in my mind, it reminded me why I started and who gave me that dream in the first place. And now looking back, I'm living parts of that dream I once visualized, little by little, with faith, effort, and grace. So tonight, I want to remind you, don't limit what God can do for you. Start seeing your future, not from fear, but from faith. Because when your vision is clear, your direction becomes strong. Picture your best self. Believe in that version of you. And then take one step today toward that dream. So again, thank you for tuning in. Even though this is recorded, I know that my heart is still with you. Same coffee and same cuento, same purpose. So let's dream it, believe it, and live it together. So thank you for spending your time with me tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee, bring your dreams, and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. If you want to learn more about the business, you can direct message me or sign up on my website at www.loriramos.com with your name and email, and I will send you the link for the free info session. So good night and God bless. Bye.